In the world of flagship smartphones, Samsung and Apple have once again raised the bar with their latest releases, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both phones come packed with premium features and cutting-edge technology, but choosing the right one depends on your personal preferences and needs. Let's break it down to help you make a decision. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Why choose it? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is a photography powerhouse. It features an impressive 200 megapixel main sensor, which clearly outshines the iPhone 16 Pro Max's 48 megapixel camera, especially when it comes to zoom shots and low-light photography. The S25 Ultra also boasts extra lenses and more advanced manual controls, making it an ideal choice for photography enthusiasts who want DSLR-like features in their phone. The S25 Ultra is slightly thinner, narrower, and lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, making it feel more comfortable for extended use. While both phones are large and heavy, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a more ergonomic design, which could be a deciding factor if you plan on using your phone for long periods. Samsung has added impressive AI tools to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. One of the standout features is the Personal Data Engine, which learns your habits and acts as a smart assistant. The phone also introduces multitasking voice commands, allowing you to perform complex tasks with a single command. While Apple is working on its AI capabilities, Samsung currently holds the lead in this area. If you're looking to save some money, Samsung is offering incredible pre-order deals for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. You can get up to $900 in trade-in value, a $300 Samsung credit for storage upgrades or add-ons, and even an extra $50 credit if you use the special link in the description. Students can stack a 5% discount for even more savings. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Why choose it? The iPhone 16 Pro Max also has 8 GB of RAM, compared to the S25 Ultra's 12 GB, but thanks to Apple's software optimizations, this still results in excellent performance. Surprisingly, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the cheaper option between the two. It costs around $100 less than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which might appeal to those looking to save a bit of money. While the difference isn't huge, it's still worth considering if you're on a budget. One key advantage of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is its resale value. iPhones tend to hold their value longer than Android devices, meaning you're likely to get more money back if you decide to sell your phone in the future. Both phones are top of the line and offer fantastic features, so it really comes down to what matters most to you. Whether it's camera quality, app performance, or value for money, these two phones will not disappoint. Question for you: so, which one are you leaning towards? The Galaxy S25 Ultra or the iPhone 16 Pro Max? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what features are most important to you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!